Hi everyone. Today we will act as little detectives investigating spare parts. Make a cool, useful small tool. See this fun thing? Two same pens, one cap pulls off easily, the other is tight and you have to pull hard. Do you know why this happens? In fact, we see this everywhere around us. Uneven gaps, loose or tight caps, differing toy joint tightness. Why do some parts fit tightly while others feel loose? It's simple. When factories make parts, machine errors, temperature, humidity and thermal expansion and contraction of materials all cause differences. No two parts are exactly the same. So engineers set a reasonable allowable size range. This range is what we'll learn today. Tolerance. Tolerance is just like exam scores. Teachers make a passing line to grade your work. For factory parts, tolerance is their pass or fail rule. Parts within the tolerance range are qualified and fit for assembly, those outside the range are defective. So tolerance is very important and must stay within a reasonable range. If the tolerance range is too wide, parts will be loose and assembled unstably. If it is too narrow, production becomes extremely strict and many parts will be rejected as waste. Interestingly, tolerance isn't just for factory parts. Food has tolerance standards too. Take hamburger patties for example. Each one is slightly different in size and thickness. Some are a little bigger, some a little smaller. As long as they fall within food tolerance limits, they are qualified and ready to sell. Today we'll make a pegboard with cute pegs and see how tolerance makes a difference. A pegboard is a board with many small holes called apertures. Small differences are hard to see with our eyes. We can measure with a ruler or test how tight pegs fit to tell the difference. Enough talking, let's be part detectives and begin our exploration today. First, find the STEM classroom page in the app. Print the parts one by one in order from 1 to 5. You can also pick your favorite peg set from the model library page. Look, the 3D printer has started working. Model printing takes time, so please be patient. Patience leads to success. Let's take a little break now. Great job! Your printed parts are ready. Come try them with me. Insert pegs of different thicknesses, one by one into the round holes of the pegboard. Can you clearly feel different tightness with different fits? Want to figure out tolerance more precisely? Let's use our measuring tool, a ruler. Make sure you print this ruler in actual 1:1 size. Use the ruler to measure the pegboard holes and peg diameters. Write down each value, and you'll spot tiny difference in size clearly. In today's class, we found out what tolerance is and what it does. We completed an exploration about parts using pegboards and pegs. You've kept learning all the way and become a real parts detective. (3D printing, your great learning partner. Tiny size differences can make a big difference in 3D printing. See you next class.